3. In this video, I'll show you how to update firmware on a Ledger wallet. First, open the Ledger Live app on your computer and connect your Ledger hardware wallet using the USB cable. Unlock your device with your PIN and make sure Ledger Live recognizes it. Next, click My Ledger in the sidebar. If prompted, allow Ledger Manager on your Ledger device. Ledger Live will automatically check your device and notify you if a firmware update is available. Now, click Update Firmware to begin the process. Before continuing, make sure you have your 24-word recovery phrase stored safely offline. Follow the on-screen instructions and carefully read any information displayed before proceeding. After that, confirm the firmware update on your Ledger device when prompted. Keep your device connected throughout the update and do not disconnect it until the installation is complete. Your Ledger wallet may restart several times during the process. Finally, once the update is finished, Ledger Live will confirm that your device is running the latest firmware. If any cryptocurrency apps were removed during the update, reinstall them through the My Ledger section. Then verify that your accounts are still available and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to update firmware on a Ledger wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.